The total time for the speaking section is 17 minutes. The test taker will have to respond to 4 tasks. And out of the 4, we have 1 independent task. So 1 independent task about a familiar topic. I'll also give you an example. And the responses should be based on personal experience. So one of the examples that I would like to share with you, which was asked during a TOEFL IBT test, is like, which are the following functions of a smartphone most beneficial to students? And then 3 options were given: taking photos, listening to music, or recording lectures. And the test taker will get a preparation time of 15 seconds. And then after preparation, the test taker will get 45 seconds to respond to a prompt. Okay, so this is an example. Another example could be, which one do you like to choose for your final project? Giving a presentation, writing a paper, creating a video. And the student or the test taker need to respond to this question within 45 seconds. And they will get a preparation time of 15 seconds. So that is one independent task. The other 3 are integrated tasks. Integration means you are integrating the reading, listening, and the speaking skills, just as we do in the academic classroom. So out of the 3, 2 are reading, listening, and speaking, which means you need to read a passage which is around 45 seconds long, and then you need to listen to a conversation or a lecture, and then take notes, and then speak. You will also get a prompt and speak. Here, the test taker will get 30 seconds to prepare, and then 60 seconds to speak. So out of the 2, 1 will be from academic, and the other 1 will be from campus-based. The third integrated task is you have integration of listening and speaking together. It will be from the academic area. So the test taker will listen to a conversation or a lecture, which is around 45 to 1 minute long, and then take notes, then speak. The responses should be based on what was read and heard. Okay, so that is the total. That is about the speaking task. The total time duration for completing this task is 17 minutes. Again, I would like to just add on, give you the information. The raters use rubrics for speaking and writing sections to grade the students. So rubrics, I'm sure you must be very familiar with it. Rubrics are is a tool, or it's a scoring guide with the descriptions, and these scoring rubrics are also published, given globally, and the raters do not use their own rubric. It's a public rubric which is published by ETs that they are using globally. That also ensures fair and objective scoring. So the first 2 sections, reading and listening, we have multiple choice questions. And in speaking and writing tasks, the raters use rubric to grade the test taker. And the rubric is actually they look at 3 areas. One is delivery, second is language use, and the third is like topic development. So the scoring in the speaking section will depend on how clearly and coherently the test taker is able to convey the message, and also accuracy is also looked at by the raters. So that's about the speaking task.